Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance Clearly. The song is Clearly, the artist is Anthony Hamilton, and the choreography is DJ Anthony GBKA Anthony Glover of Cincinnati. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in New Orleans, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now, and you can book your room right now at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's go. there you go. Clearly, you can't go wrong with Anthony Hamilton. That is clearly. Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, Louisiana, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.